All right, so the next back to school shopping concern. I want to refresh my fall wardrobe, but I'm worried about overspending during the back to school sales. How can I budget effectively? I love this very much so because there's not enough, information or insight about budgeting on wardrobe. It's more so about like budgeting on house or your groceries and stuff like that. But there are plenty of apps because I know you're not going to walk around with the price machine, but there are plenty of apps where you can scan the code and see how much it costs, and then it'll all tally it up together so that you can see. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with pre-planning or pre-strategizing how much stuff costs before you get to the place. That is honestly what a lot of stylists do, depending, especially if they are a personal stylist when they work with one-on-one people, or if they're doing editorial, which is like the magazines. We have to sit and do and kind of project how much we're going to spend because we only get a certain amount of money when it comes to these photo shoots, video shoots, magazine shoots, whatever it is. There is a budget that is set. We don't just freely oh, let me just swipe the card. No, we have to budget. So if you are doing this for yourself, you are thinking like a stylist, and that is going to be very wise. So like I mentioned, download an app and you are able to kind of see how much stuff will cost. And then you definitely have to tag in the sales tax with that. But for the most part, knowing how much stuff costs and tallying up, there's nothing wrong with that. People do that, they just don't speak about it out loud, but it is done, especially within the fashion industry, because we are given budgets. I mean, if you were a one-on-one and I asked you, hey, I'm going shopping on your behalf, what is the budget? How much can I spend on this card? I have to do the same thing, if not similar and more precise. And then my next question is, am I able to go over 50 cents, or do I have to spend it on the nose? And if you say on the nose, then I know I have to keep it under that amount. I'm not going to disregard and be whatever, because I am very big on integrity and honesty as well as transparency. So don't feel like you're a loser or no one does it. A lot of people do it. Don't think you're alone. But setting yourself up, honestly, those people who do that, regardless if it's clothes or groceries or whatever you're shopping for, you definitely know your stuff and are well prepared and have like a clear vision. I personally think. Don't think that you're hard on yourself or being difficult, but don't feel like you're overspending. Set an amount that you can afford and then start pre-planning, meaning price stuff, tally it up. If something is over, then see which one is a priority, something that you need, something that you're going to wear multiple times and get the cost per wear. Whatever the case may be, that's all depend on you. And just keep figuring it out. People do it. We just don't talk about it, especially stylists, when we're given a budget. When you see those commercials, we are given a budget. Don't think that it's not done, because it is. All right. So I hope that was very, very helpful.